Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Litecoin can see a break above the $100 mark in the next coming days and also ahead of the Litecoin halving event. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by sharing the Litecoin countdown, where you can see that we have 5 days, 21 hours, and 17 minutes to the next Litecoin halving event, which is an event that I'm expecting will bring about a lot of volatility in the market. And I want to start my technical analysis by sharing a chart pattern that has been in formation here on the charts that will possibly give us a massive breakout to the upper side. And that chart pattern is this triangle that I have on the charts, having this as a very nice descending trend line here on the charts. We also have this horizontal area of horizontal area of support, and as a result of these two lines on the charts, we have a very nice triangle on the charts where we have pushed the price of Litecoin to the apex of the triangle, and today we have started to see the breakout to the upper side. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we have seen the break above this descending trend line. And at the time of this recording, all we need to see is a break above resistance at around the $91.35 mark, get a successful retest of that key area of resistance before we can continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $97.65 mark, and a break above the $97.65 mark, then we can easily see Litecoin get above the $100 mark in the next coming days. And the minimum target area for the breakout out of this triangle can be given by the height of the triangle. So using a trend line, we can get that height. So get that height and then place it above the area of the breakout, giving me a minimum target area at around the $111.28 mark. And that is the minimum that you can expect Litecoin to do once you see the break above resistance here on the charts and we continue gearing up. Litecoin has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing the 14th of June lows at around the $70.5 mark, we started gearing up, impulsively obeying the Elliot structures, where we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5, giving us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, which is a target area that you have now fully maximized. And all I'm watching to see is a reaction of the target area start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3 and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 to the upper side by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the Fib level 1.618 in the formation of that wave 3, and that is at around the $159.18 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. And since we are headed to the next Litecoin halving event, there are high chances that soon we are going to see a reaction of the target area start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3 and also fully maximize our minimum target areas. So on the short term, continue watching for a break above the $91.35 mark. Watch out for a successful retest once you manage to break above that, and from that point we can easily see Litecoin get above the $97.65 mark and also maybe see a break above the $100 mark. And in case further breakdown continues, then our key area of support at around the $82.65 mark needs to continue holding so that we can expect another bounce and continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.